So an observation I made this morning sitting out by the beach on this nice frigid fall San Diego morning. It is kind of chilly and I'm a kitten when it comes to temperature drops. Like a wet kitten. So something I've noticed. Couples, friends, anybody that walks by water, walks by the ocean, walks by lakes, they just don't seem to argue. I've seen more hand-holding and touching and light caresses and just expressions of like affection. You just never see people raging at the beach. You see them in malls, you see them on streets, downtown cities, games, sporting events. You just rarely see them. Now, I know it's the state of mind you would be in to come to the beach, or maybe they argued in the car, and then when they got here, they had a difference of opinion, and everything just neutralizes. Something to think about. If you are in an argument or a disagreement or something with even yourself, friend, loved one, family member, go to water. Walk by water or walk by a stream, some natural source. Same thing in like the forest or the desert. You just don't see people getting after it, going after each other. Call me crazy. Nature seems to give our bodies something, and our bodies seem to connect to something natural. Show me any study you want, it doesn't matter. I'm sitting here doing my own study with n equal infinity because I just see all these people and everybody is affectionate and peaceful and calm and loving and smiling, and I don't know. It's not to say just go live at the beach, although you could. It's your choice, it's your life, remember that. But there are natural aspects to almost everywhere. Frick, even in New York City, when I went there when I was doing my book, promoting my book, Central Park had these beautiful locations, these silent gardens where there was like no phones, no anything. It was fantastic in like one of the most toxic cities you could possibly imagine. This is interesting. Therapist. That's the therapist. Therapy session, what is it? Go walk by water. Go walk in nature with your whoever's antagonizing you. Let me know. If anybody tries this, let me know, because I'm sitting here and I've watched like 100 people totally enamored with like themselves, their life, each other. It's something to witness. Enjoy your weekend.